How to disable news and offers notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable news and offers notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it, and now just scroll down until you find notifications, and scroll down again. Here you will find it. Here you will find news and offers and great deals notifications, and if you want to disable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.